Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here from Axion. Another new product release. This one for the 11th gen Civic. All models that actually have a shifter and Type R. It's also going to work on the Integra and the Integra Type S. So you guys have been waiting a long time from something from Acuity for the shifter. We've already had the cable bushings and the lower base bushings out for quite a while. I think we were one of the first companies to throw some in 3 years ago in our 6-speed sport touring. However, they finally come out with the Stage 2 kit, which this changes the side-to-side motion, firms it up about 10%. You also get a short throw adapter. It's going to cut the throw down about 20%, firm everything up, and you also get the spring that goes on the side with the rocker arm. So I'm going to go over all the parts laid out, what they are. We're going to put a link to where you can buy them. We also get a lot of questions about when is the Acuity shifter coming out, the full assembly, so you can ditch the OEM one. Well, probably about 2 to 3 months. They're in their final phases of testing. And we were actually the first shop to ever install a Acuity shifter into the 11th gen. We installed the 10th gen one, which does take quite a bit of custom work to it. So like I said, it's not really worth it. So if you want to wait for the big shifter, wait for it. It'll be out in a couple months. We'll have it for sale. But for right now, we're going to get into this stuff and talk about the product. And it's a really nice upgrade. I really like the shifter actually on this 11th gen. It works fantastic, but this just gives it the little touch that it needs. All right, guys, let's get into the product. All right, so first off, you have your cable bushings. These are going to be part number 1881. See the box here? These go on the transmission, okay? So they don't go inside the car. This is going to be the new part. This is the rocker assembly. This goes on the driver's side of the shifter. And you will also use this spring upgrade that Acuity provide. And you can get some information there. And also, let's get some of the packaging here. And there's tons of videos online, even of like the Accord owners and the 10th gen Civic guys putting all these parts on. I think Acuity did a video also, if you want to check out their channel, on the install. You got your short throw adapter here. You're just going to use a little clip to get off your cable bushings off. Do not stretch the cable bushings, guys. You know, if something's binding or it's very tough, be careful, because if you stretch the cables, you're going to have to replace them. So just a word of warning. A couple people have done it when they actually do the whole shifter. This one's pretty easy because they actually stay in the OEM position, and you just kind of undo these parts on the shifter. I've also got the base bushings. So the stock ones are going to be a rubber based. It still gives the shifter a little bit of movement. So this is the full package of everything laid out. And like I said, we've got tons and tons in stock. This is just some of the stuff laid out on the table here for some backdrop. And so basically these two parts were the current available ones. If you own these, you can buy these three in a kit. So we have the full Stage 2, which is all of this, or you buy these three. You can also buy them all separate depending on what you want. If you currently like the side-to-side motion, but you want it a little shorter throw, just get this. I also recommend getting the interior trim removal toolkit. Okay, these are plastic tools. It helps a lot with removing the plastics from interior. Not going to scratch them like you would using a screwdriver. Perfect way to go, guys. This is an awesome upgrade, and I really recommend it for you guys. Like I said, we've been rocking the Acuity for a long time now. I'll leave a picture real quick right here of our little car, our 11th gen race car. We will be upgrading to the full Acuity 11th gen shifter when it comes out. But I wanted to show you guys, obviously, you know, our build, trying to do stuff before everyone else out there to give you guys all the information that you desire and need. because we've gotten tons of questions whether people should do it. And I said, nope, just hold off, wait till this kit comes out. You're gonna be happy. So go ahead and order down below. Shipping, guys, is 1 to 2 days free, depending on the price. So you can get this super quick. I get things out every single day. I make sure we drop off before 2 o'clock so it gets out, so you guys aren't waiting extra long. And you know what? I'll even throw in some free shifters. These are our old school, nostalgic throwback. Yes, we've been in business since 2009. I'll throw those in. We usually do them for 4th of July. That's our red, white, and brew sticker that we did a long time ago. So I'll get those out too if you guys want one. Hope you guys order, support the channel, and appreciate you all. So yeah, those are the shifter parts. I'm glad you guys tuned in. Hope you got some information. You're always welcome to hit me up online to get some extra information on these parts. Love to help you out. And keep supporting the channel. Subscribe, like, share it online, or just go ahead and place an order and help us out. Support our business, support small business. Like I said, stop buying on Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Target. Support your local shops that specialize in this stuff. All right, guys, till next time, see you later.